Xiaomi Pad 6 Max is all set to launch on August 14th. It will be the third Pad 6 series offering from the brand after from Xiaomi Pad 6 and 6 Pro. Xiaomi has released a couple of Weibo posts to confirm the key specs of the tablet. The Pad 6 Max will come with a massive 14-inch LCD screen. The screen size is equivalent to a portable notebook and 62% larger than the 11-inch Xiaomi Pad 6 and 6 Pro. They haven't revealed the display resolution, but it will have a refresh rate of 144 Hz. The chipset will be a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset that powers the Pad 6 Pro. It will have a massive heat dissipation area of 15,839 mm square and is capable of handling heavy-duty games. It will arrive with a massive 10,000 mAh battery and support 67 watt fast charging, and it will also support 33 watt reverse charging, means it can use be top of other devices. Xiaomi Surge G1 battery management chip is also present. The Pad 6 will have an 8 speaker system, which means it will have good sound, and it will offer PC level experience through Office features like WPS, Office Pad 4, and its native 4 window split screen feature.